Emma, little update. Hey, precious little girl. Before you're going to tongue me then, that's Frankie's job, not yours. So you can see, in a van, 30 dogs, no muzzle, fully off leash, perfect on the leash, socialisation, desensitisation, and yeah, some of you simps will have the audacity to tell me how to train a dog, yeah? So you can see that, look, as soon as Ozzy's got a bit forward, she's kind of fucking backed up a little bit. I think we're on week 5 or 6 now, and you can see practice makes perfect. It's all about desensitisation and exposure. Again, took her out, obviously fucking attacking me, biting the dogs. That's why we desensitise and expose through a muzzle. The only way you can fully train a dog, don't get it twisted, so many great dog trainers can condition these dogs on a one-on-one basis, but a dog like that is fucking pointless if you do not socialise them in a big pack. It necessarily doesn't mean you got to do it how me and Frankie does it. That's what I see a lot of comments. They go, yeah, but I ain't got fucking 40 dogs like you. You don't need that. You just got to find a trainer who's got a really well-behaved dog or 2 really well-behaved dogs, and they use their dogs as the desensitisation and exposure. That's how me and my wife get away with it. We've always got a surplus of dogs. So as a result, that's the surplus. We then desensitise and expose, and this is where a repetition and consistency comes in. Love, affection, but also a lot of corrections and discipline. That dog, Emma, was mostly negative negative punishment, yeah? Positive and negative punishment. Of course, it was a lot of like building her up and defending her and protecting her, but the moment that a connection was there and she trusted me, that's when we turned into corrections more than anything. A dog like her is literally 95% corrections in order to reverse that. Now she trusts us and she's not keep fucking dogs off because she's naturally dominant and hierarchy. Now she's getting a lot more love and a lot more positivity because she's being a harmonious pack member, yeah? So the biggest issue I see when it comes to dogs like this, you owners put your emotions into the dog and you need to act logic. I'm a little bit weird, yeah, if you ain't already noticed. I act on logic, you lot act on emotion. Dogs act on logic, humans act on emotion. We gotta switch it around. If you want your dog to understand how you're communicating, speak their native tongue. Logic.